Comanche. We went upstream from where the upper Comanche crosses this fork of the Red River. As you can see, it's very wintry today. It's snowing. I'm sure you can see the snow. Pretty neat. It's pretty cold, but always worth getting out. Dave got pretty far ahead of me. I'm back here marveling at the snow because I grew up in Florida and snow doesn't really happen there, so it's still very exciting for me. Pretty much on the park boundary here, you can see that fence post. Snowing pretty good. Getting hit in the face with snowflakes. I'm enjoying it quite a bit. Some white-tailed deer up ahead, frolicking in the snow.